You all are welcome. I thank all of you for making time to attend this all-important meeting, which I believe will be for the well-being of our community. I summoned you here for us to listen to two of our children who have been at war with themselves for a long time now. Esther.
Igwe.
Can you tell us your experience with Ujunwa the last time you visited this village?
Thank you, Igwe. I greet everyone. It was one fateful day. Ujunwa here and I were coming back. At a point, two boys rushed out from a corner and demanded we keep quiet. We tried running away. They chased after us and suddenly caught me. Ujunwa ran to call Ogene. Both of them came to the scene and saw Osita here trying to force himself on me. Ogene picked a log of wood and hit him.
Just because she's bold enough. God is with you. But be careful, God is with you. But be careful, God is with you. But be careful,
Hey, can't you guys greet? Eh? So you can't greet? I told you my hand will touch you.
It was here. I'm sure they will not be far from here. This is the place that they caught her. I'm very, very sure.
That was what happened, Igwe.
Osita, you heard her. Do you have anything to say?
Tell me the truth. You didn't do it.
Speak!
You didn't do it.
Igwe, please, I'm sorry. Igwe, I didn't mean to do it.
Osita.
Igwe, please. Igwe, I didn't mean to do it. It is the devil's handwork. Igwe, please.
It's all right. You all had him. Good. And this is my judgment. Guards,
Igwe.
Seize him.
Igwe, please. Igwe,
please.
Igwe, I'm a very diligent in this
Tomorrow
community.
you'll be transferred to the police.
Igwe,
Please.
And that is my judgment.
Igwe, that's my only brother. Igwe, that's my only brother. Igwe, please.
Enough.
Igwe, please. Igwe, forgive me.
That will serve as a deterrent to any other person that would like to try that atrocious act. This kind of act should not be tolerated in this community. Now, you may leave.
Igwe, please have mercy. He's still
You
a
cannot
very
go.
small boy. Igwe, please. Igwe, that's my only brother. Igwe.
Thank you.
Let's go. Igwe. Man.
Inside and outside, she hates injustice. Makona lawyer for. She is beautiful. Inside and outside, she hates injustice. Makona lawyer for. She is bold enough. On the hook the bandira. Just because she's bold enough. On the hook the bandira. God is with you. But be careful.
Nah, Ejike, you and that your friend really try for. Hi.
You know, you are a nice person too. If you find yourself in that position, you do the same. I trust you.
Even my guy, even G. Thank you. So how is that your friend?
He should be in his house now. That reminds me. You know you have not thanked him well. Yes.
You think so?
Yes now, you have not.
Okay, let's go to his house.
Beautiful. Now you're talking. Let's go.
Hey, that guy is a nice guy.
Very nice.
Don't matter how you are.
Alpha, did you see? You won't believe what I saw. Okay, what it is? Neka, Ogologo Badro, just come.
Amae, Jahi's of Bani, Wadi, your master. Yamara Toyota Moto, Adio Sansoe. Namu Beze, Adio Sansoe. Ogene Wame, Adio Sansoe. Ogena Tomugomo, Chimus of Bamunenu,
Only your master.
Toyota
Moto.
Oh, yes, Sansoe.
Now my daddy wears
Adio Sansoe.
Mercedes Benz.
Adio Sansoe.
Ashimane Mabala.
Ogedemo, Chimus of Bamunenu.
Only your master. Oh, yes, Iyama.
Ogene Dinobi.
Oh, yes,
Sorry. Ogene Tomugomo.
Oh, yes,
Oh, mom. Because then you chalo.
No, I don't want.
You don't want?
Awesome.
Are you serious?
Inside and outside, she hates injustice. Makona lawyer for. She is beautiful. Inside and outside.
I should have known he is the reason behind our constant failure. I should have known. Ha! Now your brother is being locked up at the police cell.
Because the war have just started. So, of all the boys in this village, it's my own boyfriend that Okene wants to date. So she wants to snatch my own boyfriend away from me. Okay? Hey!
Let us start doing something. Hey! Action speaks louder than words. Let's start doing something on
My own boyfriend. You see that, Okene? I will make sure I deal with her. If I don't deal with her, Oma will neck. She'll know that I am not a neck.
Neka, let's do something. Yes, we just have to re-strategize. That is what we will do right now.
You see that girl? You see that girl? If I catch her,
Let's think, please.
wait here. I will squeeze her. I will squeeze life out of her.
Ibiano.
Hey.
My guy, what will I offer you? Nemo, what will I offer you?
Biko hapu Kene. I'm supposed to have been here yesterday, but something happened. I want to thank you for always saving my life. I don't know what I would have done without people like you in this village. Severally, Neka has tried to kill me for no reason. I cannot explain. Thank you so much. Oh.
It's okay, it's okay. Believe me, there's every reason for the impression I used to give to you.
So tell me, let me secure my future, Biko. Are you having cough?
No, I am. Don't worry, my dear. Soon, you'll be seeing them gradually.
Okay, if you say so.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Amae, Chinese protection nenuwa.
Oh, yeah, son,
Now my daddy ways it.
Oh, yeah, son,
Ashi one name mabala. Oh, yeah, son, Ioma.
Ogene kedim no be. Oh, yeah, son, Ejike one name abala.
Oh, yeah, son,
Ioma. People should join me now.
That serves her right. At least next time she will learn her lessons.
My father told me how shocked he was. You know, I did not narrate the whole story to them. My dear, I'm really happy that you got your freedom from those girls.
It's not by my power. It's not by my might. It's just God that saved me. Do you know how many times these girls planned to attack me? I'm telling you.
Hey.
Thank God for that Udo guy. Yes, because he was the one that made my movement safe for me. I was not leaving the house now.
Are you serious?
He's even here. Udo.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine.
Hi, how are you?
Talk of the devil. I was just talking about you.
You don't mean it.
Yes.
Welcome.
Yeah, Kekunume. Good. Wow. Okay. Good day. Okay, please can I see you?
Okay.
Later.
No problem.
All right. Just stay out of trouble.
Thank you.
Guinea.
The both of them.
What about them?
Can't you see? I think he loves her.
Mebo. You can't do Biko.
I'm only saying what I saw. I can see it's written all over him now. Look at the way he's looking at her. You understand? Anya love.
You have a son in your house. You need to plug out your eyes because you don't see things clearly.
If these two people now forget
Any nonsense thing.
I hope no threat of any kind has come to you since that day.
Not at all. Thank you. All thanks to you and AGK. You guys really tried for me. I don't know what I would have done without you and AGK. You guys are like a brother to me.
What? Did he just say brother?
Does that sound odd? Are you not like a brother to me?
Anyway, it's okay. So can we go to my place now?
Not really sure. I left my house since and my mother might be worried about me. So let's do this probably tomorrow. Does that work for you?
It's okay, no problem.
But promise me, no smoking.
I promise.
Alright, let me go back to my friend.
At least can I get a hug?
Hug, Chineke. Alright, bye-bye.
Okay. Happy.
It's beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice like corner lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice.
Uju! Please get me my drugs. Oh. Why is Ogene not back?
I don't know.
Rush to Adana's house. Tell her that I want to see her now. No. Fast.
My dear, guess who approached me today to ask for forgiveness? Neka. Yes.
What did you say to her?
What do you want me to say to her? After watching her cry profusely like a small baby, I had no option than to tell her I've forgiven her. Yes, but we'll never be friends again.
Neka of all people apologized to you.
Yes, she did.
Sister, there's more to that. And you have to be extremely careful.
I will. Let's go. You needed to have seen the way she was crying profusely. I'm sorry.
Any nonsense thing, she not a take more. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. Makona lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside.
She actually came and apologized for her actions. She said she's sorry for everything she has done. She really sounded very remorseful.
Dr. Monty, listen to me. I know Neka more than you do. She can't possibly be sorry if she doesn't have eggs in her basket. If you can listen to me, Ogene, do not make friendship with her.
Ogene, make I tell you, you know say I'd always dey support you for everything wey you dey do. You understand? I'd always dey support you. But I don't see anything where that girl go give you where you no go fit afford yourself. So this is a pattern of reunion. For me, you know pure.
See, she apologized. She said she's sorry. I just said, okay, I've forgiven you, so she will have rest. She seemed so restless. I just told her I've forgiven her, but I understand what you people are saying.
Ogene.
I'll be careful.
Ogene, I have told you.
I've heard you, I'll be careful. I'll be careful. So I have to go now.
Alright now.
Bye. See you people later.
Take care.
One.
Mwada anunti.
Cha kwa.
Ona baby we inside and outside. She hates injustice, like all her lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice, like all her lawyer for. She is bold enough. On a bandila, just because she's bold enough. On a wooden dealer. Okay, God is with you. But be careful, God is with you. But be careful,
like I said, I will come and talk to her. This is not a good idea at all. If I may ask, what was she thinking?
As I'm talking to you, I'm so confused. That is why I came to see you. You see this one, I'm never in support of it. But you know my sister. She will always say, I'll be careful, I'll be careful. But I'm so scared of her life. I don't even know her plans.
Don't worry. I will come and talk to her, eh? Go home.
Please, just do it for me.
I will. Count
It's a
on
promise.
me. It's a promise. You can go now.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Ona diga koko, ona nuga kuna. Imegwalu ife melogi, ige nebi kwife. Ona diga koko, ona nuga kuna. Imegwalu ife melogi, ige nebi kwife. Ona diga koko, ona nuga kuna. Please, can't you forgive? Ige nebi kwife. Ona nuga kuna.
Yeah, Susan. Susan. Wait, oh, am I too small? Or you've gone blind to notice me?
Look at who is that. You think I'm that jobless to notice every fly that passes by?
I don't understand. Wait. Are you referring to me as fly?
I can't remember seeing any other person here, apart from you, idiot. Now, listen attentively. Let today be the first and the last time you will stop me on the road and open that smelling gutter you called mouth to talk to me.
Thunder fire you! Thunder fire you! Get out!
Let today be the last time.
Because she knows she's here,
Let today be the last time.
Get out! She knows she's here, get out! Get lost! You will not do anything!
Look at you.
The only thing you have is your mouth! You cannot do anything! You cannot do anything! Get lost now! Come on, she knows she's here for Biko. Get out! Get out!
Away from here. I'm gonna get over there. Nonsense and ingredient.
Okay. I'm a little bit. I know what your problem is. Just because that your useless elder brother is a soldier. That's why you think you can talk to anybody anyhow. No wahala. You see that your brother, all I want to work from. They will kill him. He will go to fight one and they will kill him. What of us will do there? Idiot. Fool. Don't worry. Take your stars. I am in a good mood. Belinda is in a good mood. Nata.
Any nonsense thing, she know they take up. Again, then what?
Do you stay here? Where are your children? Your husband?
It is a long story. Don't worry. I will tell you all about it. All about myself. Next time.
Oh, why don't you tell me now?
I don't want to spoil your mood. Don't worry. Thank you. Bye. You have done much already. You have done much. Don't worry.
Please, get me a broom or tell me where I can get a broom. Let me help you and tidy the place.
You want to help me? Okay, I can come in. What is your name?
Oluchi, but people call me Ogenemwa.
Okay.
Okay, Chai. Ujunwa, your sister has chosen to kill me before my time. I don't know what I have done to deserve this from Ogene. Chai, Chim, you must require me, are you? No problem.
Mama, you have to calm down. She'll be back.
She'll be back. She left this morning, she went out. This morning up to now, she's here to come back. And you're telling me that she will come back.
Inside and outside, she hates injustice. Makona lawyer for she is beautiful. Inside and outside, she hates injustice. Makona lawyer for she is bold enough. One with the bandila, just because she's bold enough. One with the dealer, God is with you. But be careful, God is with you. But be careful, God is with you. But be careful, God is with you. But be careful,
What is it? Is this not how I do it? What have I done wrong? Tell me.
No. You did nothing wrong.
So why are you crying?
Keho, I cannot remember the last time someone did a favor for me. Everyone has been calling me a witch. My children left me. Tears. Thanks. I'm sorry. I bring my food for the past years. For more than 30 years. I have never seen it. Sorry. But today, you make me smile. You give me a reason to smile. And I feel like you will see me.
Mama,
Thank you.
I understand and feel your pain. I'm sorry for all you've been through. I promise to always come here from time to time to help you do things. Just know you have me. I'll always be here for you. Oh, be strong.
It's okay. If I die today, I will be happy.
Mama, you will not die.
I smiled for the last time.
Mama, you have me. You can count on me anytime, any day.
Thank you.
I want to see a friend.
Mama, why is your face like this now?
Why is my face like that? So you have joined hand to even kill me before my time, Akwe?
Mama, why are you talking like this? God forbid.
Where are you coming from?
I told Ujunwa that I went to see a friend.
Which of your friends? Which of your friends?
Mama, there's this woman. Her name is... Mama, in fact, let me leave this story. It's a long story. I will tell you some other time, but not now. Because you're angry.
Since morning you went out. Since morning you went out. You're just coming back now.
Now, but is that why you're angry with me? Eh? What was that one?
Madam, that's always making my heart pound all the time. Because I was so worried. I don't even know whether what you have even done outside now. Because the next minute they will bring complaint that you fought. You are fighting. So why won't I even be worried?
Mama, I didn't fight today.
Lekwege.
It's joking.
And you are proud to say that I didn't fight today. Must you fight?
Mama, I'm sorry.
Tell Mama how much I love her. Mama, stop pretending.
My heart has been pounding.
Angry. Okay, I promise I will not make your heart pound. I will not keep you worried again.
Mama.
I will always be a good girl. You know I love you.
My heart was pounding because I was waiting to hear now they will bring one complaint or the other. Now
there's no complaint, Mama.
You know that this was all I have left.
Mama, she did not fight today.
All I have left. So without you people, you know that I won't even survive this life.
Mama, don't worry. You worry too much.
I don't worry because you for all I have.
Any nonsense thing, she know they take her no. She is beautiful.
Hold on. Udo, oh, you are here. Eba Kino. Udo!
What is it? What do you want? Why are you shouting my name like a mad person? Are you mad? Eh?
Really?
What is it?
Udo.
See, listen, let me tell you. Eh? See that girl? You people should drop your plans. Do you understand? I will never allow you hurt her. That plans of yours, drop it. I cannot man.
All you just said now is just total nonsense. You could be rubbish. Let me tell you, this war have just started. You and Ogene should get ready for me. You will not escape me in this village. Nonsense.
No.
Hold on. Get ready for me, oh. Just get ready. My guy can't talk if I'm from nonsense.
Don't go and look for something. Go down. Come on, in my vicinity.
Neka na walu baya waya ige me bife neka na bika walu baya.
I am going to win you. I will win you.
You can't win your teacher.
It's a lie. I will win you.
Fast. It's not possible. It's not possible.
I'll have to go in my room.
Why now? Why do you want to spoil our fun? Because of my sister. Never mind, Biko, let's continue.
Is she angry because I'm here?
She can't be angry because of you. Let's continue with Biko. Do you want to spoil our fun because of her?
No. I have to go and see my brother.
Oh, what is you?
I'll probably give him food.
How long is he still going to be there?
We still have about 4 months to go.
Sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry.
No problem. It's not your fault. Besides, what he did was so wrong. So I'm sure by now he must have learned his lessons.
I'm sorry. Alright, take care of yourself. Don't cry.
No.
Where is this girl? Ujunwa! Sister, come. Ujunwa, why is your face like that? What is it? Why did you not greet Nega when you saw her?
Why should I greet her, sister? That girl is up to something. I mean, how can she be here laughing with you when her brother is in cell? And you are the cause of it.
Is that why you didn't want to greet her?
Eh? She's up to something.
See, let me tell you. I understand your fears and worries. But if we see man and one nigga on your bag, I'm very watchful and careful. Moreover, nigga cannot do anything to me. Because I've not done anything against her.
You can't trust that girl. She's up to something. And it's very, very obvious. You have to be careful. In fact, stop her from coming to our house. Stop talking to her. I don't like her. I don't want to see her again.
Aww, somebody is scared for her sister's life. So you don't want me to die. So you love me this much. You know, I miss you. I don't know I'm this important to you.
Sister, it's only you that I have. You don't want to suffocate. So you are very, very important to me.
Same here. I love you, my beautiful kid sister. Okay? And you're all I have, you and Mama. So I will always be careful. Game one, I can't. I don't know you love me like this.
Don't worry. I'm a million member. You won't have me. Don't worry.
Any nonsense thing, she not a take her no.
Ogene, I am here.
this your sickness have started again?
Don't worry. I will soon be fine.
Your body is so hot, Mama. Have you taken any drugs?
It is only fever and headache. I'll be fine.
Okay, Mama, just give me a few minutes. I'll be back.
Any nonsense thing, she know they take her more. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. Like all.
Please, it's really important, please. I need 2,000 naira. It's important.
I don't have any money.
Ejike, please now. It's really important. Biko, no. Back to you.
All I have here is 2,000. I'm giving you 1,000 so I can hold myself with 1,000.
Yeah, but just give me the 2,000 naira now.
What would I hold myself with now? Let me just give you 1,000 and hold 1,000. All I have is 2,000.
Oh yeah, give me Nkobuna. Give me.
Any nonsense thing, she know they take her more. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. Makona lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. Makona lawyer for. She is bold.
Mama, I brought the drugs for you. Yes. Okay, you need to take it. But have you eaten something? But don't worry. It's not that important. No, Mama, lie down. There's no way I will allow you to take these drugs without eating something. You can take it on an empty stomach, Mama. Okay, did you cook? I said don't worry. I will eat it. Mama, it's not advisable to take this on an empty stomach. Let me quickly prepare something for you to eat, Biko. You go to gym, man.
Ejike, if you really care about Ogene, this is the time to look after her.
What make you talk like this?
Okay, see, I confronted Nneka, and I think her plans are due. She's planning to do some silly things to her.
Nneka again? Huh? Nneka again? Why you always like to call this Nneka when we talk? I have told you many times, distance yourself from this Nneka, make all this cloud clear. For now, we need to day by jumper to monitor this Nneka to know her next move.
You can never know that girl. You never know that girl.
Okay, you will know the girl. How do you suggest we go take follow her? How do we monitor? How do we follow her? You will know and pass me.
Any nonsense thing, she know they take her more. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice.
Mama, what is it? Are you okay? Mama, why are you screaming? What is it?
I had a terrible nightmare. Thank God it's a dream. I had a terrible nightmare.
Mama, what happened in the dream?
Okay, now my daughter.
Yes, Mama.
I think you have to keep between you and Nneka.
Mama, what happened in the dream?
I saw her push me inside fire. Hey.
Mama, are you serious? It's not my portion. It's not my portion. She don't do anything.
Hey, Memo.
She don't do anything to me. But you don't have to be scared, Mama, now. It's just my dream now. Oh, you can borrow malaria and you make it so. Just relax. Lie down and sleep.
Is that all you have to say?
Mama, I need to continue with what I was doing before I heard your scream. You know it's early in the morning.
So you can't pray against this dream?
Any nonsense thing, she know they take her no. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My corner lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates.
Because you care so much about me that I personally wouldn't want to hear anything happen to you.
Why is everyone sounding like I'm dining with the devil? I know God loves me. I know God is with me and nothing will happen to me. Oh?
Ogene, we know God is with you. That is the main reason we are telling you to stay away from that girl. Mind the kind of places you go, the things you do. I mean, that girl is no good for you. I'm not going to how.
We're all sounding like this because we love you so much. And we wouldn't want to see any harm come to you. I just want you to be careful. Please.
I appreciate your concern. Don't worry, I'll be careful. Oh?
Just be careful. I'm not going to because I don't want anything to happen to you.
Nothing will happen to me. Okay? I can't dodge. I'm going to like you now. No more sister. So let me go and bring the porridge yam. Mama made I like it. I will eat it. Let me bring yam. I cook porridge yam.
You cannot do very dinner to my lady. I'll go and she. Not Yala. You can shut up. Tell me the career. Oh, you sir. Some woman.
Any nonsense thing, she know they take her no. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice.
I just wish Ogene will stop her association with Nneka. I have this feeling that she's up to something.
I don't know why Ogene feels that Nneka will not hurt her. Who does not know Nneka in this village? My mom calls her white witch. Amuswacha.
I pray Ogene doesn't get into trouble soon.
I pray so too. She's not just our friend, but a sister to us all. The more reason I pray that her faith lifts her out of this.
But we all have to watch our back all the time. We really have to watch our back.
You are right. But what do we do? Okay. Come.
Something just hits my head now. What am I doing? Yes. I have a plan, eh? I want you to go and look for a very big man that is working with you. Remember the plan now. Remember, when you get him, take him to Geneva. The moment you get there, you go.
Calm down. Why? The world has ears. Yes, just calm down. Whisper to me. Necky. Eki, calm down. They go hear her.
Don't worry, eh? Nothing will happen to her, eh? Everything is going to be fine. Do you know that everyone have warned her from that same girl. But she wouldn't leave me. So the best thing for us to do is to leave it for God. Our faith will see her through.
So do I believe. See, thank you for everything. Thank you for always being there to advise her, to even talk to me sometimes.
You're welcome.
I appreciate you. Thank you.
You're welcome. We're sisters now. We're not just friends. We're sisters.
Thank you. Let me walk fast. Let me just go.
Oh.
Just go back.
Any nonsense thing, she know they take her more. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice, my corner lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice, my corner lawyer for. She is bold enough. On a bandila. Just because she's bold enough.
Just do as you said, eh? Immediately you see us coming, you begin to act as if you're raping her. I will come, I will lead her through this part. Uzon calls her. Okay. I'll bring her there. Okay. Please, no mistakes. I don't want to miss this chance. It's very important. Eh?
Where are you going?
I'm going to get something.
Okay, that's fine. I'm just returning from the station.
Oh, okay.
Okay, no. Why not come visit me? I've been bored lately. Since my brother left, I've been feeling.
I wish I can, but it's impossible for me. I have a lot of things to do at home.
Then why are you sounding like this? What about me that usually comes to visit you? Does it mean I have nothing to do?
I never said so.
Okay, fine. What if you come to my house and spend 30 minutes with me? That would be fine.
Are you sure?
Yes. Let's go. Please.
Okay, but I will not stay for too long.
Thank you. Let's go.
Mama Ogene?
Oh, nice. Are the one behavior?
Yes, it is all well. I was just passing by. I wanted to ask after your health. How are you feeling now?
I thank God. Though. You can see that I'm moving around. I'm trying to even tidy up the house.
Oh, that's very good.
Let's go and sit down now.
Oh no, there won't be. There won't be any need for that. Yes.
Okay.
What is this I hear about Ogene and Neka becoming staunch enemies?
Nine. Ogene, my daughter, doesn't listen to what anyone is saying. I have tried to talk to her the best way I could, but she keeps saying she will be careful with her.
Ogene needs to be very, very, very careful.
Okay.
That girl is dangerous. Right in front of her, her brother was arrested in the palace. That should not make her happy. Now I perceive that girl as dangerous and irrevocably unpardonable. If she is not well contained, that girl will cause a big catastrophe in this enclave. So Ogene needs to be very careful. Do you understand?
I understand though, but you better talk to her. I have talked and she wouldn't even listen to me.
By the way, where is she?
Oh, no. She hardly stay at home.
Anyway, see to it that she sees me. I might be able to put a word or two into her medulla.
Biko, I will tell her to come and see you when she comes back. Maybe she might listen to you.
Yes, do that. Okay, I'll be on the move now. Remember, I told you I was in transit to see the Igwe to discuss some salient matters.
Yeah.
Alright. Do you understand?
I understand though.
Alright.
Thank you.
Do have a nice day.
Any nonsense thing, she know they take her no. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My corner lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My corner lawyer for. She is bold enough. On with the bandila. Just because she's bold enough. On with the dealer.
Let's go, Biko. Please, this is Okay. Hey! Okay, you just killed him. You just killed this young man now. Are you mad? Not a Buginisi. But you know the one that hit him with this thing. See. If you have killed him, accept that you're a murderer. Don't call my name. Don't call my name. In fact, I'm leaving. Okay, then come back here. You just killed him. Let me just go. Okay, then I'll go to quarter. I come to quarter. Hey! Okay, then you just killed him. Hey! Okay, now come back here. Come back here now. Come back. Who is around? Come and see. Okay, they just killed him. Okay, they has killed him. Okay, they has killed him. People come. Hey! Okay, then you will come back home. The village will look for you. Everybody come and help. Come and see. Okay, they has killed him. Hey! People come and see what Okene has done. She just killed someone. Okay, then. Hey! Okene! Hey, people come and see what Okene did though. She just killed him. Okene!
Leave that tonight. Wait, I want to take run am. You know, say plenty gas in that palace. I want to take one.
Are you going with me or not?
You know I'm always with you. I there with you full time, but how you want to take run am?
Okay, listen. One more thing. Huh? If anything should happen this night, promise me that you're going to look after her.
You are taking this thing too serious. But nothing is going to happen to you. Yes, you even know say Ogene na my person before you begin enter her. Now my girl before you begin enter her. So nothing is going to happen to you. Yes.
Sidameka, I relate with you.